Let's see the dashboard that I created for the YouTube automation. So I have the first section over here, the idea section. As you can see, I have what I can do basically over here is that I can simply click on the add inspiration over here and paste the link of the YouTube video that I like and say I can save it to inbox and it will get saved. Similarly, I can click on analyze and it will analyze the video for me. And then once the analysis is done, I can click on the write script button. I can click on write script and the original title is there and the AI suggestion is there. I can select one of this and then I can click on the short script or long form, whatever script that I want from this video. So here you can read the whole script, you can copy it into the teleprompter, and you can do all sort of things over there. Then you have the competitors. Let's say you are into the YouTube and you admire some of the YouTubers. Then what you can do, you can just simply add it over here. You can paste the URL, the channel URL, and click on the add and it will get added. And once you click on sync all, it will sync all the videos and it will give you the VPS. This guy, he has 2200 VPS and this video was published 57 days back. So this is day 3 of my 14 days business automation series. I will walk you through step by step how this thing works, what you can do, what you can achieve from it. Let's get started with this. So in this video, as you can see, you can add inspiration. All you need to do is that you click on add inspiration and you can add any video. So let me just give you a demo to you of this whole thing. So let's say this guy is there and I will paste this thing and save it to inbox. The thing is over there. Now, if I click on analyze, the system will understand or try to understand what this video is. What APIs are used. So I've used YouTube API in this. I've used Telegram API in this. I've used OpenAI also for the processing, for the basically the brain part which is working behind it. Now, our system has understood what this video which I recently added is about. Now I can simply go and click on the write script and it will open up and give me the suggestions, the topics that I can create the video on. And those topics which it is suggesting me will be based on the details that I have added into the settings. What is the goal of creating this YouTube video, whether I want to promote my product or whether I want to promote or just talk about the AI, SaaS, marketing, what exactly it is, whatever details I have added into the YouTube whatever details I've added into the settings. Based on that, it will add everything over here. So if you're a YouTuber or a founder or a marketer who is into YouTube and want to automate this is go-to app for you. You can simply download it from GitHub. I have added the link of that GitHub repo over here and you can fork it and use it for yourself. If you like this type of content, subscribe to this video and like this video and comment and ask me any questions. Here, every thumbs up motivate me to create more of these videos and keep building the stuff for you. Now it has created the whole title. That was the title. And then you have this AI suggestion, the real value of AI in business. Then you have whatever, all of these things are there. You can improvise and you can change the prompt also, which is behind the whole thing. Now let's assume that I choose this thing itself, the original title, and I click on short script. It will create the script for me. Just wait for a few seconds. It has created the whole script for me. I can edit and I can again ask it to create it. Now the topics that you saw here, when I clicked on write script, you see all of these topics, right? For example, Claude and Steam or model for senior B2B professionals. Now I go back over here in topic vault and I can see there that, see here, Claude and Steam myth or model for senior B2B professionals. So whatever tokens that has been consumed to create these topics will not be wasted. It will sit over here and you can also come back over here and write a script from here. Now moving to the competitor, it will help you to keep an eye on your competitors. You can add up to 100 competitors. Let's say tomorrow if you come and you open this app, you can again sync that. So if anyone has published any video, that will start capturing in your local SQL on which all this database is there, everything which is being saved over here. So for example, I've added, let me just demo this thing. So let's say this guy itself. I just go over here, I copy the thing and I come back. Just paste it over. Just remove the videos and click on add. Now that guy is added. Now you see there are 0 videos currently. You just click on sync. So 20 videos are synced so far, and it will also add the VPS. That is a critical metric over there that will help you to understand that which videos are performing well for this particular guy. So one particular way of looking at whether that particular video is doing good or not is just looking at the number of the views. So for example, over here 9 lakh views are there, then roughly 5 lakh views are there, then you have 177k views. So you can understand that, okay, this is doing good. But when you look at the views according to the subscriber base, that gives you a reference point, that based on that reference, how well that video for that particular guy and that particular topic is doing good. So over here, Claude Code plus YouTube is $62,000 per month. And the VPS, if you see the percentage wise, it has 500 odd percent or 533% VPS, which is on the higher side for this guy. So this way you have a reference, a metric that guides you that which ideas or which topics are doing good. All these videos are sorted based on this VPS. So basically this particular metric is also used by leading YouTube software or apps that provide you that which idea is working well and whatnot, the competitive research that do. This is the feature from the best tools in the market, which we have brought it over here, which I have created using Claude and Cursor, that you can also use. All you need to plug is your YouTube data API, which is easy to get from the Google Cloud Console. I have copied all the steps in the GitHub repo, so you can follow the steps. Now coming back to the trend, where the trending topics are going. Over here, you see this, since I want to know the recent developments in the AI, the tech space, and the SaaS space. So all these 4 guys are talking in the same space. So you also know that the Claude is in the trending right now, or in the trends right now. So everyone is also looking for the content around the Claude, and everyone is publishing around the Claude. But also in the Claude, which topics are doing good, that is also critical. So you will start seeing that pattern over here. When I come to this particular person, in his video, you can see that the VPS score is a whopping 2236%, right? That's on the highest side, because it basically broke based on the subscriber base. He has just 54,000 subscribers and he got 1.2 million views. You can see, and then you start seeing the pattern. So one thing which I'm obviously seeing an improvement of, which we can add into the version 2, is that based on the analysis of all this computer, what is the trending topics going on, right? We have the topic, and then we can see that, okay, this is an overlapping theme which is coming up. Now you can visualize the whole thing very efficiently. And if I add the Reddit API over here, and probably the X API is a bit costly, I guess, then it will become a topic finder tool also that can help me to understand what topics are doing good. Now this is about the competitor and how you can use this tool for competitor research and keep an eye on all of your competitors. You don't need to keep going back and look at the feed again and again on your mobile, and that is a big headache for everyone, that we have to all the time on the social media app, and it keeps us hooked on the app, and we keep watching the stuff which we don't want to get right. In the calendar, I try to make and visualize the whole thing, that how you can look at the whole calendar, that which topic you have to work on, which topic you don't want to work on. You can simply drag and drop over here. So if I go to ideas, you have the video here, which I recently added over here. Now you can simply drag and drop into this, let's say, a particular date. Then once you drag and drop, it opens up the pop-up where it is asking whether you want to add a short form of that particular topic or a long form or both. Then if I click on long form, it becomes long, and then there's a small camera icon you can see. That signifies that, okay, this is for the long form. And when you select again on this one, then you have this both, then it will give the both icon, right? So you have this short form and the long form. So that helps you to understand that, okay, this is how it looks like. You have the settings over here where you just keep your goal, what is the goal, the channel goal, and what are the content pillars, and how the tone should be there for the scripts. And so you can add everything over here. We can again improvise this thing. I can add things into the section so that it becomes easy for you and me to keep adding or editing the details of this particular file. That makes even more sense. So this is the whole thing about the YouTube automation. If you like this video, comment below and ask any questions, or subscribe to this channel, and I would like to help you in anything. You can connect with me on Twitter, on LinkedIn. The previous day 1 and day 2 are also, the videos are also in the link, where you can see how you can automate the SEO, how you can automate the Reddit outreach, and further videos are also coming up where you will see that how you can automate the newsletter or cold emailing. So that's it from this video, guys. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this.